So I made a video previously telling everybody, hey, get prepared for like a crash if something was to happen. Now, we did not necessarily have a crash, but a lot of people did see an increase in groceries. Groceries was out of control, and then also they seen shortages. So we didn't necessarily see like a big, huge crash, but you did see a lot of things happening to the point where people were not able to get as much groceries as they wanted, groceries that they needed too, because they were paying more for groceries. They seen a shortage too. And I, at the time too, I was feeding my baby formula. You guys, we didn't have any formula. I had to switch his formula, and it was horrible. And that's what I was referring to. It was just not like a huge crash, but it was just basically me telling everybody to get prepared. I did buy a lot of milk, but still, it lasted longer than I expected. And since it lasted longer than I expected, I did run out of milk for like a month or two, and we had to switch his milk, and it wasn't good. And I bought a lot of milk. I like, I literally bought a lot of milk, but the crash basically was not the crash that we expected. But still, you guys always stay prepared if you can, because if something was to happen, even with your finances, make sure that you guys keep money saved and you guys are not just living paycheck to paycheck, because if something was to happen, you guys are going to get hurt very bad. So that's what I was referring to with the crash.